Salut tout le monde, comment nous y est? So, je nous Kokoye, moi, I'm dressed up. Moi, habillée, so, moi, Florida. C'est la première fois que je quitte Christian avec Sky ensemble. Moi, j'ai fait Sky et puis moi, préparé toute bagaille. Moi, j'ai fait probablement 2 semaines, Florida. So, par contre, comment Christian a appris de Sky parce que Sky est vraiment difficile. So, reste branché, je vais vous montrer notre toute bagaille, ok? Bye. So, je nous Kokoye là, moi na out pour airport, je suis la Sky na babysitter Marina là. So, moi na out pour airport, but nous allons faire gaz avant pour montrer nos deux femmes. How can I switch that? Je vais jacket sur moi, nous pour un tripod. So, moi mette jacket parce que moi Connecticut, là moi vais Florida m'a pris. Vraiment bonheur. Moi à 7h, moi arrivé depuis à 3h parce que moi je pas le travail. So les déposer mon bonheur. And then m'a hang out pour jusqu'à ce que l'heure arrive. Ça c'est en bas. En bas airport là moi je suis en l'air. So m'a fait l'heure arrive. So, je nous Kokoye là, moi Florida et puis papa m'a cherché hier soir bien à l'aéroport là, moi arrivé là à minuit. So, je suis arrivé à Florida et puis je vais aller étudier, je vais quelques leçons pour aller étudier là. So, il est belle, mais je suis Connecticut parce qu'il fait un peu de chaleur Florida actuellement. Bon, il y avait nous Connecticut à peu près 30 et Florida il y a 4 effets. Hey guys, today as you can see, I'm in Florida. Yeah. So today we're going out to buy some stuff to eat. Where are we going with?
Probably Popeyes.
That's my little brother Watson right here.
Yeah.
So probably we're at Popeye.
Popeyes is by, I don't know where, but Popeyes is over there somewhere.
Alright, so we're going to buy something because I'm really hungry.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna walk through there because it's not too far. So later on I'm going to the beach with my friend. It's pretty, I like it.
Yeah.
It's really pretty, just the weather.
Yeah.
Too hot.
It's gonna be hotter this summer.
Oh my gosh. And then Christian wants to come for summer.
Yeah.
That's so pretty. Florida is really pretty. I like the street. You guys, it's at like 81 degree. Like I feel like I'm burning. On February. We are on February and it's 81 degrees.
Yeah. It's not even summer.
No, it's not even summer in Connecticut. I just check it. It's 40 degrees. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm burning. Bye. How you say it? Papayas?
Popeyes, yeah.
Papayas. Indeed, that's the food. Yep. We having some, how you call that?
A chicken tender.
Chicken tender and fries and biscuit and the drink, and that's the place. That's my brother. That's the place. It's close home, so yeah. Now you guys, we're going to eat because I'm hungry. I will talk to you later. Look, there's coconut. Look, oh my god, I want some. Wow. I wish my husband was here.
Yeah, he would've get some coconut.
Yeah, I loved him.
Hopefully nobody's sleeping. We are stealing, you guys. Oh shit.
Shit.
Even that's good. No snake.
No, you good. It's not. It's on a leash.
We are stealing. I can't get it.
Sis, hurry up. Okay.
Let's go. You have to start over.
Then you're gonna post it, right?
Yeah. So, for
I
me,
don't have to start over. You can just edit.
So when your husband sees this, what you gonna say?
nothing. My husband is cool. Hey, you guys, I'm gonna drink some coconut.
We have coconuts. It's a lot of them. That's all it is. That's South Florida.
Yeah.
All right, now
Best place to be.
Peace.
This
See you
is
later.
the best place.